You need this in your home. This simple trick will not only make your space smell amazing, but also create a unique atmosphere. Take a large orange and cut it the way I show, then remove all the pulp, leaving only the peel. The peel is full of natural essential oils with refreshing and relaxing properties. Add 3 tablespoons of coffee inside. Its strong aroma neutralizes unpleasant odors, boosts energy, and lifts your mood. Also add a spoonful of cinnamon. Cinnamon has antibacterial and antifungal properties, and its warm, spicy scent is stimulating. A splash of fabric softener gives the room a long-lasting fresh fragrance that lasts much longer than regular air fresheners. Next, place a piece of hot charcoal inside or light it. It acts as a heat source and helps release the full aroma of the ingredients. Finally, close the orange with the cut-off top. This natural air freshener will fill your home with the wonderful scent of coffee and citrus, creating an atmosphere of relaxation and freshness. On top of that, the combination of these ingredients keeps insects away, since they dislike both citrus and coffee. Your home will smell beautiful, stay bug-free, and be full of positive energy.